Hi, John Haynes with Haynes Properties, and today we're at our newest listing in Lynnwood, Washington, where I'm currently losing to my 2 dogs and kid at cards. So while I try to redeem myself, why don't you go have a look around? So whether you're looking for a quiet spot on a cul-de-sac or any home in Lynnwood, give us a call.